Hi, I'm Amir Khan, Swan's Executive Director, and today I'm happy to provide a short tutorial how to utilize our website and maximize your membership. First, we'll start by logging in to access all member-only content with your unique company name and password. There is one login for you and all your colleagues. Let's begin by exploring Swan's member ecosystem, where we can filter by category, region, and solution areas. For example, utilities in North America, looking at the city of Grand Rapids. When logged in, Swan members can also view member email addresses. As a member, you can get involved in a regional Swan Alliance in the Americas, Asia Pacific, European Utility, and India, as well as our young professional group RISP, and view all resources, such as in the European Utility Alliance, this past meeting on holistic network leak detection. There's also ways to get involved by your particular interest areas, such as digital twins, data as a service, smart metering, or startups, and gain access to great resources, such as in the Digital Twin group, you can download the popular Digital Twin Readiness Guide. Swan's Knowledge Hub provides a central database for Swan industry reports, case studies, and other great resources, including the opportunity for members to submit case studies through this link when logged in. In the case studies section, you can filter such as only Asia Pacific case studies. In the events section, you can view all upcoming events with full registration details, such as this one, as well as past events with all slides, recordings, and recaps. Lastly, you can click on the My Account button to let us know your interest in getting involved with Swan, and also download our logo and Zoom background. So there you have it. Happy browsing. We look forward to welcoming you to the flock.